An all-gender toilet facility is a toilet which does not have gendered signage and can be used by a person of any gender. They might be called all genders toilet facilities or gender-neutral toilet facilities. They can be single-user facilities or multi-stall facilities. They should contain a sanitary disposal unit and be ambulant. Accessible where possible. Ambulant accessible toilet facilities are slightly larger than a regular toilet facility. The toilet itself is higher and there are grab rails on either side. There is often one ambulant accessible toilet in multi-stall toilet facilities. Why all gender toilets are important. All employees need to have access to clean and hygienic toilet facilities at work. Employees will have different needs when it comes to access to toilet facilities at work. This may be because of their gender identity, access needs, or faith or religion. Employees should be given access to toilet facilities that are appropriate for their needs, so far as is reasonably practicable. Gender identity is how an individual thinks, feels, and sees themselves. In relation to gender, employees may identify as women, men, non-binary, transgender, or gender diverse. Gender identity can change over time. Gender identity can influence a person's gender expression. Gender expression is how a person presents themselves in relation to gender. This can be through clothing, physical appearance, or behavior. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.